Dear students, let's start today's session with a very positive thought. Every situation will have something positive. Even a dead clock shows correct time twice a day. Stay positive in life. God knows what is best for you. So now with this beautiful thought, we start our today's session, and today we have to learn working on CSV files. Till now, we have learned how to work on text files in Python, how to save our text in a text file, how to read text from a text file. Then we have learned working on binary files. We have created programs in Python to save our data in binary format, and then we have created program to read that data. Now we'll learn another format, CSV files. So first of all, why are CSV files used? Before learning this, first of all, you have to learn CSV means comma separated values. These files serve a number of different business purposes. They help companies export a high volume of data to a more concentrated database. That's why these are industry standard formats. It is like a plain text file, which makes it easier for the website developer to create. Since they are plain text file, they are easier to import into a spreadsheet or any other storage database. And it is human readable. If you don't have any special software, you can open them in any editor and easily read them. It is used to better organize large amounts of data. That's why CSV files are industry standard files for exchange of data. Now, in today's session, we'll learn how to create CSV files to store our data, and then we'll create a program to read data from CSV files. So we'll learn how to create a CSV file. So in our first program, we have imported CSV module. See line number 1, import CSV. Then, as you have seen it earlier, we have used a function open to create result.csv file. You can name your file with any name. Then the mode of file I have given here w, that is write mode. So we have created file object. Now create a writer object using csv.writer function, and in this function we have passed our file object, and we have created an object called writer. So after this, a very simple function is used to write data. Now notice I have used write row function to write one line of data. In the first line, I have saved headings, name, code and salary. See, I have created a list object inside write row function. Then in the second line, line number 6, I have saved first record, name 9, code 1 and salary 10,000, and in line number 7 I have stored another record. Then in the line number 8 I have printed success. Then this file object is closed. Now run this program and check whether your file is created. So it is printing success. Now we'll open our directory to see whether this file is created or not. So I'm opening result.csv, and you can see name, code and salary. So your data is stored here. So this is the way to create CSV file in Python. Now we'll create another program to read any data from CSV file. So I'm opening another program here, CSV read.py. Now in this program you can see again I am opening a file a.csv in read mode. Similar to previous program, instead of writer object I am creating reader object. So csv.reader method is used. Here I am passing my file object as its parameter, then delimiter. Normally in CSV files, comma separated values are used. So comma is a normal delimiter for CSV file, but if your values are separated with tab, you can specify \t. If your values are separated by any other symbol, you can specify that symbol also. Then reader object, inside reader object we are iterating in a loop. For row in reader, print row. Then after completion of this loop, we are printing success and then closing our file object. Now run this program. So you can see it is printing the data user ID and beneficiary 1 XYZ 2 PQR. So we have learned how to write data in CSV file, and in second program we have learned how to read data from a CSV file. Students, this is our third program on CSV file. Here I want to show you CBSE result of a school which is received in CSV format. So in this result you can see records of students are given. Now we'll make a program to read this data. Just in reading program I am using the name of this file result1.csv. My files, Python file and CSV file, both are stored in same directory. That's why I don't have to specify path here. Then you can see rest of the program code is same. Inside reader function I have given the file object and delimiter as \t, that means tab stop. Since in CBSE result file the delimiter is tab. Now iterating inside reader object and then I am printing each record. Now run this program. So you can see it is printing result of every student. So we have learned how to write data in CSV file and how to read data from a CSV file. One thing you must observe that inside reader function we have given two arguments, file and delimiter. File is the file object and delimiter, this is the second argument, since in our file tab stop was used as delimiter symbol. But in normal cases CSV files are comma separated value files, that means values are separated by comma, so you don't require this parameter. If you are not specifying delimiter parameter, it will consider as comma as its default delimiter symbol. But if you have any other delimiter symbol, you can specify using delimiter parameter, and here you can specify the symbol like \t or hash or any other symbol which is used in your CSV file. So it is very simple to use CSV files in Python. Thank you very much.